In this segment, we will be addressing routine field maintenance of diesel-powered generators. Prior to placing the unit in service, there are a few simple checks that the operator must perform. Begin by checking the engine oil level. With the unit on a level surface, the oil level must be between the high and low level marks. If the level is at or below the low mark, add 1540 oil until the level is correct. Drain excess oil if the level is above the high mark. Check and drain the fuel and water separator at least once weekly. Check the radiator reservoir level. Add a 50-50 coolant water mix as needed. Check the condition of the radiator fins, fan, and fan belt. If the radiator fins are dirty, flush with clean water. Look for any damage to the fan. Check the fan belt for cracking or excessive slack. Check the engine air filter at least once monthly, more often in dusty conditions. Check the condition of the battery and terminals. Clean the terminals if there is any corrosion buildup present. During operation, occasionally monitor the gauges to be certain the equipment is operating properly. Located in a conspicuous place will be a record of the last time an oil change was performed. Check the hour meter to determine if service is due. Service must be performed if more than 150 hours have elapsed since the last oil change. When equipped, as in this case, be sure to preheat the glow plugs before starting. On this unit, the light will shut off when ready to start. This is essential in cold weather and may need to be performed several times. Check the fuel tank level and look for any leaks coming from the tank or lines. Ensure the equipment is full of fuel. During operation, check the fuel level occasionally to ensure that the unit does not run out of fuel. When performing these daily procedures, look over the rest of the machine for general condition.